Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore the ribbon bar in Autocad step by step. If your ribbon is disappeared, you can bring it back in just a few seconds. So let's get started. First, open Autocad on your computer. Next, click inside the command line at the bottom of the screen. Now, type ribbon and press enter. As soon as you press enter, the ribbon bar will reappear at the top of the Autocad window. The ribbon gives you quick access to the tools and commands you use most often, making it much easier to work on your drawings. Once you've confirmed that the ribbon is visible again, you can continue working on your project as usual. And that's it. You've successfully restored the ribbon bar in Autocad. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AutoCAD tutorials, CAD tips, and design guides. See you in the next one.